Best 3D Printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The original Prusa MK4 3D printer kit is a beginner-friendly, high-quality DIY 3D printer designed for enthusiasts looking to get hands-on with 3D printing. This kit offers an exciting assembly experience, allowing users to build their own printer from scratch while learning about its components and functionality. It is an ideal choice for both beginners and more experienced users who enjoy the process of creating and fine-tuning their 3D printer. The MK4 features automatic calibration, ensuring easy setup and consistent print quality from the start. This feature helps eliminate common calibration issues, making the printer user-friendly and reducing the likelihood of print errors. Once set up, users can create high-quality 3D prints with precise detail. The printer has a print size of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, offering a generous build area for a variety of printing projects. Whether you're working on smaller or medium-sized prints, the MK4 provides the flexibility to handle different 3D printing tasks. It is compatible with a wide range of filament types, making it suitable for diverse applications, from prototyping to hobbyist creations. One of the standout features of the MK4 is its removable print sheets, which make it easier to remove completed prints without damaging them. The kit also includes a filament sample, allowing users to get started right away and experiment with different materials. In summary, the original Prusa MK4 3D printer kit combines ease of assembly, user-friendly features, and a high level of customization for those looking to dive into the world of 3D printing. It provides everything needed to build a capable 3D printer, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced makers. Number 2. The Creality Ender-3 V3 3D printer is a powerful and feature-rich DIY 3D printer designed for users seeking high-speed performance and reliable print quality. With a printing speed of up to 250 mm per second, the Ender-3 V3 significantly reduces print times without compromising the quality of your prints. This makes it an excellent option for users who need efficient production for prototyping or small batch creations. The printer features CR Touch Auto Leveling, which ensures automatic bed leveling for improved print consistency and ease of use. This feature eliminates the need for manual leveling, making setup simpler and reducing the chances of print failures caused by uneven print beds. Equipped with a Sprite Direct Extruder, the Ender-3 V3 provides better control over filament extrusion, leading to improved print quality and reliability. The extruder design allows for consistent filament feed, which is essential for printing with a wide range of materials. The dual Z-axis and Y-axis provide added stability and precision, resulting in more accurate prints and reducing the risk of print defects or wobbling. These enhancements contribute to smoother movements, particularly for taller prints, ensuring better overall print quality. The printing size of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches offers a generous build volume, suitable for a variety of medium-sized projects, from prototypes to custom models. This makes the printer versatile for users working on different types of 3D printing tasks. In summary, the Creality Ender-3 V3 3D printer offers a powerful combination of high-speed printing, enhanced stability, and advanced features like auto leveling and direct extruder for users who require reliability, ease of use, and excellent print quality in their 3D printing projects. Number 3. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is a high-performance 3D printing solution designed for users who need fast and precise results. With an impressive printing speed of up to 500 mm per second, this printer allows users to complete projects much quicker than traditional 3D printers, making it an excellent choice for rapid prototyping, small production runs, or hobbyist projects that require speed without sacrificing quality. The all-metal hot end allows the M5C to support printing at temperatures of up to 300 degrees Celsius, making it compatible with a wide range of filaments, including high-temperature materials such as ABS, PTG, and nylon. This feature expands the printer's versatility, enabling users to work with more specialized materials for different applications. The 7x7 auto-leveling system ensures consistent print quality by automatically calibrating the print bed. This advanced leveling method helps maintain an even surface, which is crucial for achieving high-quality prints and reducing the likelihood of failed prints due to improper bed adhesion. The 220 by 220 by 250 mm print volume offers a decent build area for a variety of medium-sized 3D printing projects, making it suitable for creating prototypes, custom designs, or functional parts. This size strikes a balance between space efficiency and versatility, catering to a wide range of printing needs. One of the standout features of the AnkerMake M5C is its ability to be controlled via multiple devices, including smartphones, tablets, and computers, offering flexibility and convenience for users who want remote monitoring and control of their print jobs. In summary, the AnkerMake M5C 3D printer combines high-speed printing, advanced auto-leveling, wide material compatibility, and multi-device control to offer a powerful, user-friendly, and versatile 3D printing experience. Whether for personal use or small-scale production, it provides excellent value and performance. Number 4. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is an efficient, user-friendly 3D printer designed to provide high-speed, high-precision printing with minimal setup time. One of its standout features is the quick setup time, with users able to get started in as little as 20 minutes. This makes it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced users who want a hassle-free start to their 3D printing projects. The A1 Mini supports multicolor 3D printing, allowing users to create vibrant, complex prints without needing to switch filaments manually. This feature is particularly useful for producing visually striking models, prototypes, or art pieces with minimal effort. For enhanced print quality and ease of use, the A1 Mini is equipped with full auto calibration. This system automatically calibrates the print bed, ensuring that prints are accurate and consistent right from the start. Additionally, the active flow rate compensation feature adjusts the extrusion rate during printing to maintain consistent filament flow, reducing the chances of issues like under-extrusion or over-extrusion. Despite its impressive features, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini operates at a quiet noise level of less than or equal to 48 dB, making it one of the quieter FDM 3D printers available. This is a significant advantage for those who prefer to print in shared or noise-sensitive environments, such as offices or homes. With high speed and precision, the A1 Mini delivers fast print times without sacrificing quality, making it a versatile tool for rapid prototyping, hobbyist projects, and more. In summary, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer offers a combination of ease of use, speed, and high-quality results. Features like multicolor support, auto-calibration, and low noise levels make it an excellent choice for users seeking a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly 3D printing experience. Number 5. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit is a reliable, easy-to-use 3D printing solution designed for home, school, and small business use. It features a swappable Smart Extruder Plus, which ensures smooth and consistent printing, especially with PLA materials. This extruder is designed for quick swaps, allowing users to change or replace the extruder easily for uninterrupted printing, making it ideal for ongoing projects or frequent filament changes. One of the key features of the Replicator Plus is its factory-leveled flex build plate, which provides a consistent and reliable print surface right out of the box. This pre-leveled plate reduces setup time, ensuring that the print bed is properly aligned for the best possible results. The flex build plate also allows for easier print removal, as the flexible surface can be gently bent to release the prints without causing damage. The printer offers a print size of 11.6 by 7.6 by 6.5 inches, which provides ample space for a wide range of projects, from prototypes to educational tools. Its build volume is suitable for medium-sized prints, making it ideal for classrooms, hobbyists, and engineers working on detailed designs or models. The MakerBot Replicator Plus is engineered for fast printing with PLA, making it an efficient choice for those looking for high-quality prints with minimal wait time. It's designed to be user-friendly, with an intuitive interface and cloud connectivity for remote monitoring and printing. In summary, the MakerBot Replicator Plus combines convenience, speed, and reliable performance with its swappable Smart Extruder Plus, factory-leveled flex build plate, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for education, home use, or small-scale production.